In this video, we will briefly explain about CIESKIN MTS Device. Firstly, the tips. You can slightly squeeze from the sides of the cap to remove the tip. If you want to remove the cap, you can slightly lift from the side. Battery placement. As shown in the device, you can place batteries minus being the bottom side plus being the top side. Then press the button and the LED will be turned on and the device will vibrate. If you place the batteries in opposite direction and turn the device on, the device will vibrate, however, the LED will not work. If this happens, please correct the battery placement. The functions of the MTS device: microneedling, red light treatment, microcurrent, and vibration. These functions create TDDS and rejuvenate the skin while providing absorption and healing to the skin. CIESKIN.